Page builders sort of kind of came in between that, right? Where what page builders did was essentially serve up like a GUI for users to like do things within the dashboard without having to get into code and stuff like that. Right. And we all have our opinions around the benefits and the drawbacks of using page builders and so on. And True. I think what we're seeing now with full site editing features in WordPress is that it's becoming its own sort of page builder in a sense. And I've always, all the way back to when I started, always defaulted to sort of WordPress core best practices. And so we never reinvented anything or built our own versions of things. And so for me, this is like it's a breath of fresh air, because it's like finally WordPress has allowed us to do stuff that we could just work directly with the core code. Right. And so I'm excited about that. That's probably what I'm most excited about is leveraging all that the block editor now provides. Right, a couple of years ago when it first started, we were at a different place, and I wasn't so sure about the way future WordPress was going to go. But recently, with the inclusion of more blocks and things of that nature, I'm really excited. It's the best time right now for WordPress.
Absolutely.